Welcome back, guys. Ever wonder what the new Amana S-Series looks like installed by a professional? New disconnect. Put a new surge protector here. Everything nice and smooth on liquid tight conduit. Check out the UV rated armor flex here. And of course the unit's nice and secure, bolted down to this concrete slab. No plastic, no fiberglass in this bad boy. And here at Prime AC and Heat, we specialize in high efficiency air conditioning and heating systems, keeping our customers comfortable year round, and saving them money on their electric bill is our #1 priority. Give us a call for a free estimate.